Hey everybody, to make this project you're going to need a plastic hat from the party section at Dollar Tree. You're going to need a pumpkin frame, one of the microfiber cloths from the auto department, a piece of fabric. I would suggest you get 48 inches by 8 inches for the scarf piece, and for the headpiece for the hat I would suggest 8 inches by 24 inches. You need black buttons, large ones for the eyes, smaller ones for the mouth, a piece of orange felt for the nose. You're going to need about 6 zip ties, and you're going to need your hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and some scissors. Hey everybody, welcome back to the 5th day of Vlogmas. Today I am going to show y'all how to make a snowman wreath. I'm using this pumpkin frame, a stocking. You'll see what I'm going to use this stocking for in a second. I have a party hat. I have some buttons. I got these from Hobby Lobby, but I had bought a t-shirt. Well, not a t-shirt, a shirt, because I wanted some of this fabric, and it's not on sale at Hobby Lobby, and I completely forgot about this project. So I went to Goodwill, bought a long sleeve shirt with this pattern, cut it up to get 2 pieces of fabric, and I have one of these soft microfiber towels from Dollar Tree, and I also got my hot glue and my glue gun. Now, this is a party hat. I just found these at Dollar Tree in the party section. And for the stocking here, all I'm going to use is the nose on this. So first thing I'm going to do is cut this off. I saw this snowman on, I think it was Julie's Wreaths Boutique channel. I believe that was her channel, and she made this, and I'm like, this is too cute. So the first thing you're gonna do is cover your pumpkin frame. Here that goes. The next thing I'm going to do is add the eyes. Steal the nose off of this one. This right here. And next I'm going to add the mouth. next thing I'm going to do is the hat. So this hat here, I'm going to cut it in half so it'll lay flat. So what I'm going to do is so now I'll have the hat. So what I'm going to do with this is I had cut 2 pieces of fabric. Here's one for the scarf and this one to go around the hat. So what I'm going to do add a little hot glue here, give it a couple seconds to cool, and then, because I don't want it to melt the plastic. And now I'm going to do this side. Flatten it down a little bit more. So, okay. Here's the hat. Mark a hole right there. Mark a hole right there. And I'm going to put a hole in the hat right here. And then another one right here. Put the zip tie through. And this one right here. I want this to stay down, so what I'm gonna do is add a little hot glue. And the next thing and last thing to do is the scarf. What I'm going to do is fold this over and glue this down, and also the other side. And to attach this, what you're going to need to do is get a black zip tie. This bar right here on the back here. You're going to slide this under. And you're going to attach this like this. Clip off that end. After you add this piece right here up under this bar, you zip tie it right here. And I'm gonna zip tie this right here. Y'all, here it is. Let me get all of this white fluff off of it. And show y'all a better picture. Okay everyone, here is the finished product. So, I think it turned out pretty good for my first try. And this is a fun little project that you can do to make your own snowman wreath. So if y'all have any comments or questions, drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow for the 6th day of Vlogmas. Bye.